Animals are a fundamental part of our world, our culture, our society and our language, even our filmmaking and marketing. In fact, images of animals appear in approximately 20% of all advertisements that we see. Yet, despite this, animals do not always receive the support that they deserve, until now. Introducing the Lion's Share, an initiative that encourages brands and organisations using images of animals in their marketing to donate 0.5% of their media spend to the Lion's Share Trust. Backed by the United Nations Development Programme, the money will then be dispersed across the world to save species from extinction, preserve wildlife habitats, and look after animal welfare.
Very, very simple, brilliant idea.
I think that if we all do this together, then we can have this positive impact.
Amazing.
In 2015, the world adopted a new global development agenda with an ambitious set of 17 sustainable development goals. Now, through the Lion's Share, advertisers have a real opportunity to act and deliver on these sustainable development goals by making a small change in the way they recognise animals in their advertisements.